All right, so here we go, guys. I'm gonna start. Got a little 10-second countdown timer here. This is the interval timer app. You can get this on the App Store. And we're going in 3, 2, 1. So plank up downs. You wanna come down on your left arm and push up on your left arm for about 15 seconds. And then we'll do the other 15 on the right arm. So there we go, 15. Now, right arm. So up. This is gonna be confusing when you first start it, but as you do it more often, you'll get a tempo down. Okay, so first rest is up. Next exercise that we're gonna be doing are plank knee to elbows. Just a short 20-second break here, jumping right back into it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So plank position, left to left, right to right. Keep your core tight. Really squeeze down on each rep. Three, 2, 1. So rest 20 seconds. Next exercise we're gonna be doing are burpees. If you can't do a full jump burpee like we're gonna be doing with the knees up, just do a regular half burpee. And I'll put a picture of that on the screen so you guys can see what it is. But 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna do a push up, boom, knee up, back down. All right, so those are the hardest ones. I still struggle with these right now. Breathing heavy. Try to control your breathing here. In your nose, out your mouth. There we go. And get into scissor kicks. Keep your core tight. Control your breathing. Rest 20 seconds. So I'm even breathing heavy. Just try to control your breathing. This is a tough workout for a short amount of time. So let's go. Now we're gonna be doing alternating scissor kicks, going back and forth, just like this. If you wanna bring your feet up, bring them back down. Keep that motion coming up, coming back down. 30 seconds, let's go. All right. Whew. Next up, guys, we got mountain climbers, but we're gonna kind of do knee to elbow mountain climbers. So a little bit different. You could say opposite, knee to elbow. 3, 2, 1. So right to left, left to right. Really get a good twist when you're doing this. Three, 2, 1. 20-second rest here. I'm gonna be going into push-ups. With the push-ups, what we're gonna be doing is I want you to go down real slow, and I want you to explode up at the bottom. So here we go. And if you can't do a regular push-up, you can do it on your knees as well. Let's go. So down nice and slow. Up. Down nice and slow. Up. That last one. All right, so 15-second rest. It's going by quick, guys. We only got a few more exercises. Next up, we're just gonna do plank holds. So just down and just hold. Keep your core tight. You don't wanna be down here. You don't wanna be up here. Keep your back neutral. Elbows planted, control your breathing. And if you're holding this, make sure you're squeezing down on your core a little bit. So just a nice squeeze there. 5 more seconds, let's go. All right, so you got 2 exercises left, and these are just gonna be plank dips on each side. And then we'll be done with the workout. So 7, 6, 5 seconds. So set up, then go down on your elbow here. Feet there. You're gonna drive your hips down. Squeeze up. Squeeze up. You can put your hand wherever is comfortable for you. I like it right here. Second rest. We're gonna do the other side. So I'll flip around this way so you guys can see. So we got 7 seconds. Get into position. Come on down. And all right, and that completes the workout for right now. If you want to do more than 1 round, you can do more than 1 round, but it only took a total of about 8 minutes. So you can do as many cycles of this as you want. I usually do 2 or 3, and that's my morning routine.